Hey, welcome back to Living Dayton, and get ready for a bunch of puns right now with using the word egg.
Some hair-raising science, of course. We're happy to welcome back Mr. C with some more science fun that requires a lot of eggs that you can't see right now, but you'll see in a second.
Yeah, thanks for having me. I'm so excited to be here today. Tally, you're going to run out of
I really
fingers.
wish we had like a count at the bottom of the screen right now for every time we used a pun.
You're going to run out of fingers. All right, so what we have here is this amazing egg, and I actually made an egg for you with your face on it, and I made one for you with your face on it.
Looks just like
And yeah, they look just like us, right? Like, ta-da! But you know, eggs are really actually cool. They're made of calcium carbonate. So we have this egg, and what's cool is I want you to go ahead and try to squeeze it. Now, you're just going to hold it in front of you, and a lot of people think when you squeeze an egg, it's going to explode in your hand. If it does, it could happen.
Oh, no.
But I have paper towels, don't worry. Okay. What you're going to do is, eggs are really strong because when we apply a force, go ahead and squeeze it nicely around. You can put a lot of pressure on it. You're squeezing hard, right? Mm-hmm. And it's not doing anything. And so what we're doing is we're actually dispersing the energy from our hand through the egg very nicely. You can actually turn it this way as well. And you can nice and hard and squeeze, and it doesn't do anything now. I was hoping hers might pop. See, what's interesting about her hand, you're using your right hand, I'm using my right hand, she's using her left, and
which isn't my dominant hand, by the way.
But look, she has a ring on it, right? And so if we want to crack an egg, like this one, we're like, oh no! If I apply a little bit of force on a certain part, it just breaks very easily. And what you guys were doing is you're applying the force over the whole thing. So eggs are cool, but wouldn't it be really neat if we took that and we did something a little differently?
Got weird with it?
We got weird with it. So,
oh, man.
You know, and I have to say thank you. The local Kroger donated 12 dozen of eggs, 12 dozen eggs for us, and they're on the floor. So we're going to bring Julia over first.
Oh, why?
And I want you to take off your shoes.
Oh, the good thing I just got a pedicure. Going this way?
Yeah, we're going to go this way.
Okay, heels off, I'm assuming.
Yes, heels off, because if you keep your heels on, we're going to apply a lot of pressure in one spot. So I'm going to hold your hand to get you on it. If it cracks, just go with it, okay? So, in theory, you're go right foot on that one.
Wait,
because I'm going to have you walk across
so one foot on this, one foot on this one.
Yes, one foot on.
All right.
All right, just hold, slow down. Okay, so nothing's cracked yet, right?
No, we're good.
So you're feeling good about it. So we're going to try to do an egg walk and come across this entire thing without cracking any eggs. And if you don't crack any on the end, that's like a bonus, and then Zach and I are going to push down on your shoulders to see if that impacts anything, okay? So nice and slow, nice and slow. I think, nice, stay balanced.
Who likes their egg scrambled?
I do until now.
Stay balanced, you're okay. Get to the last ones and stand there.
Okay.
All right, now. We're going to try something. And so what's happening is your weight is being, and if I don't know if we can get a shot of this, but the eggs, she pulled the eggs off with her feet because I think she was just sweaty and nervous maybe.
Excuse me.
In a good way. That's exactly what we wanted. But anyway, so she went to the other side, and she's standing on 24 eggs right now, 2 dozen, and it's not breaking. What we're going to have you try to do is I'm going to have you kind of try to do a little bit of a jump and come back down on it to see what it does.
With 15 seconds left.
And nothing cracked.
I don't think so.
You want to try one more time?
We're good.
Right. So, there's one. That's what we wanted to happen.
Spoke
and
there we go. So, eggs are actually really amazing, and you can do some really fun things with them at home. And this is a great clip. You guys are such good sports. And I brought paper towels for you.
There you go.
All right.
There you are, and as always, we had a fun time. You're always going to different schools and stuff like that. Where can people get in touch with you?
Check out learningsciencesfun.com, and this weekend I'll be at the Dayton Hoopla as well. So check that out.
Thank you so much.